Hello everyone. So we are looking at the data which is entered in such a haphazard way. So here there is a mix of both capital and small letters in the names of the patient. So how to make it uniform? For example, if I want everything to be in capital letters, then what I can do, I can simply use the formula is equal to upper A2. Just simply click enter. Now it will come as everything in caps, everything in uppercase. And by simply double clicking here, I will get all the data as uppercase. Now what should I do if I need to get it in lowercase? Then just simply type is equal to lower a2. That's all. Everything will come in lowercase. And by simply clicking here, the whole thing is reflected to the entire data set. It's as simple as that. Thank you.